What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be reviewing an affordable electric standing desk from Amazon. And your boy kind of excited. I've been looking for a new desk for my streaming setup. I kind of getting tired of sitting at my desk all day, being uncomfortable, either from editing to streaming to making graphics. Just needed to get my legs moving. So the desk we'll be checking out today is the SIAGO Electric Standing Desk. So right out the box, everything felt nice. The desk overall is really not too heavy. You should be able to lift it with just one person. Maybe possibly you might need to, but I don't think it's really that heavy. Inside the box were 3 panels and 2 legs and a dual lift motor system. It's a pretty simple setup. Not too many pieces. I think the instructions did a really good job explaining how to put the thing together. Only kind of got stuck like maybe 1 or 2 times, but after that, after really looking at the instructions, it wasn't too hard to build. So you should be able to do it on your own. But yeah, overall, the instruction wasn't too hard to build. But the quality of everything felt really good, especially for the price. I mean, it was a really good deal. How everything felt basically coming straight out the box. Seriously, everything about this desk was very sleek, clean, modern, very simple desk. The standout features of this desk is pretty nice. It has a smooth and quiet height adjustment. And so literally it goes up, makes literally like barely any noise. It won't be disturbing to anybody outside your room. So just to push one of the buttons on the side, the desk rises up quietly and the desk will stop literally at any height that you wanted it at. It has 3 memory presets. So you can set it to whatever height you need it to, which is great if you have more than one person sitting at this desk. And another great thing that I actually really enjoyed, it comes with cable management. It comes with a little bin to hold all your cables in the back of the desk. So you don't have to go out and get more things for cable management. You might still need some zip ties. My only gripes, it has a really wide section to hook the bin in the back of the desk, but the bin itself doesn't cover the whole area. So you just got to make a decision whether you're gonna put it on the left side of the desk or you're gonna put it on the right side of the desk. Which my thing is, why either they didn't just give you 2 or just give you 1 super long wired bin to carry everything in. But other than that, I think it's great because it did hold quite a bit. So I've been using this desk for maybe like 2 to 3 weeks now. I don't really remember. I have to check again. Everything feels really solid. It feels really good. Like it raises up smooth. It doesn't make too much noise when it raises up. And it's been working pretty good using the memory buttons, going up and down and staying at the right heights. There's a little bit of wobble at full height, but that's you kind of gotta expect that for most standing desks. Most standing desks have a little bit of wobble at the top, but no matter how much you really spend. It's just kind of the territory of standing desks, but it's nothing too crazy where I feel like my stuff's gonna fall off my counter or it's kind of distracting. As long as it's not like strictly like bumping into the desk super hard, it's not really wobbling too crazy. So yeah, whether you working long hours trying to stream for 4 hours, get your streams up, get your creativity up, doing graphics or editing videos, I think this is a great desk for either streamers and content creators. And that's today's review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and follow me for more videos, man. I do gaming content, I do tech content a little bit, we're gonna do more reviews on this channel. Drop in the comments below if you had any questions or any other suggestions, or maybe you have this desk, maybe you don't like it, let me know. Send me down in the comment section. See you guys next time. Peace.